Oh yeah, I'm at a ice drifting event held by, I believe, Drift School Colorado and maybe Drift Colorado also. And they got 2 tracks out here. And I'm renting at that, I don't know if you can see it right there, pulling up that Mustang S550. That'll be rad. I get it for an hour. And super exciting. More to come. Here we go, folks. First run in a goddamn Mustang S550. Let's fucking go.
Yeah. Edward Cullen.
What's on my head? Back of my head.
The headrest.
What's in my head?
Sorry.
That was so fucking rad.
Dude, you're so good at catching doors, bro.
Okay, a little recap of the day. We had a ton of fun. The car was super easy to drive. Best car I've ever driven on drift or anything. Didn't spin out once. Didn't get off the side once. Just had an awesome day. We had our first official tandem today. That was amazing. Wasn't expecting that. And overall, just amazing time. So I wanted to thank Colorado Drift School for putting this on, and it was just absolutely amazing. GG's.